In this video, we will show you different methods to export public folder to PST. In Exchange Server, there are no native tools available for exporting a public folder. You can use alternative methods such as Outlook or Stellar Converter for EDB software to achieve the same. Let's begin with the method of exporting public folder using Outlook. Please note that you need to have full access to public folder in order to proceed. Click on the File tab, then select Open and Export, and choose Import and Export. Here you need to select Export to File and click Next. Choose Outlook Data File. Here you can see your mailbox structure, expand the public folder, locate the folder you wish to export, and click on it. Select the desired location to store the public folder data. Finally, set a password for creating the public folder PST file. That's it. You can see your PST file. However, please note that this method may not be suitable for large public folders or exporting multiple public folders. In such cases, Stellar Converter for EDB can be a great solution. The software helps to convert public folder to PST format with 100% data integrity and precision. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of using Stellar Converter for EDB. Choose Offline EDB to convert a public folder from an offline database. Click on Browse to select the EDB file you want to convert, and then click on Next. After the scan, click on a public folder to preview its contents in a 3-pane window. Click on Save to save the complete EDB file or selected mailboxes or public folders. You'll find multiple saving options, so choose Save as PST and click Next. Next, select the destination path and click OK. In the Save Mailbox window, review all the mailboxes and public folders. You can set the priority to export important mailboxes or public folders first. Click on Next to start the conversion process. The conversion process is now started. Once it's complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. You can access the PST file from the desired location. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in demonstrating different methods to export public folders to PST.